Hi, this is Seaton from 4wildrose911.com. This is a really cool story. Think you people would like it. We had a gentleman from Oregon call me and says, you know what, my wife got a really bad fright the other day. She was in a Honda Accord, truck blew a light, scared the bejesus out of her. So he said, you know, we want a full frame, heavy duty, strong vehicle, and I want a bunch of extras and high performance upgrades. So we're going to do a video on us doing all of the high performance upgrades for this gentleman here. And so if you keep an eye on our YouTube channel, we'll be calling it the Oregon car. We'll as we upgrade everything, we'll be showing you and telling you all about it. It's just come back from getting a Viper alarm system, auto start, trunk release, door releases, good alarm system. We like the Viper systems. They, in my opinion, are the best. And because this guy lives in Oregon, he wants to be able to remote start his car from the business, leave it running for 10 or 15 minutes to warm up for him, melt the ice off the shield, get nice and toasty inside, so he can come out of a nice warm building into a nice warm Crown Victoria Interceptor set up for Oregon conditions. So keep an eye on our YouTube channel, like us, that really helps us. And as we do each upgrade, we'll be posting a video on it, and you can see what you can get. So this is a 2011 Crown Vic Police Interceptor, California model. Be safe out there, my friends, and hi to Oregon.